Today, I'm going to show you how to add a timer to a video in CapCut in just a few simple steps. This is a great trick if you want to create countdown videos, add a sense of urgency, or make your edits look more dynamic and professional. Whether you're editing on mobile or on desktop, the process is quick and easy once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project and make sure your video is already on the timeline. Once your clip is loaded, look at the bottom toolbar and tap or click on Stickers. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of fun visual elements you can add on top of your video, including animated graphics, icons, and timer effects. After you open Stickers, go to the Timer or Countdown category. Depending on the version of CapCut you're using, this may be labeled slightly differently, but you're looking for the section that includes countdown timers or animated time displays. Take a moment to browse through the available options, because CapCut usually offers a few different styles. Some timers may be simple and clean, while others may have a more animated or flashy look. Choose the one that fits the style of your video best. Once you find the timer animation you want, select it and drag it into your timeline. On mobile, you may just tap it to add it automatically, while on desktop you may need to drag and drop it into the correct place. After it's added, you can usually trim or adjust its duration so it appears for exactly as long as you need it. Now comes the part that makes it look right on the screen. Resize and reposition the timer on your video frame as desired. You can make it larger if you want it to stand out, or smaller if you want it to stay subtle in the corner. Move it to the top, bottom, or center, depending on where it looks best and where it won't block important parts of your footage. If your timer is supposed to draw attention, place it somewhere visible. If it's just there for style, keep it clean and minimal so it blends into the edit. It's also a good idea to preview the video after placing the timer so you can see how it looks in motion. Sometimes an overlay can cover faces, text, or key action in the clip, so checking the playback helps you make sure everything is positioned properly. If needed, you can always go back and fine-tune the size, placement, or timing until it feels perfect. And that's it. You've now added a timer to a video in CapCut. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how polished and engaging your edit looks. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.